Yes, in question number exercise 7.2, question number 3, there is 100-meter distance, 100 flower pots, 100 flower pots, and the distance between two flower pots is 1 meter. It means the total distance is total distance will be along y-axis. Listen to me. 100 meter. 100 meter. Yeah. There along AD there are 100 flower pots. 100 flower pots. And the distance between origin and one flower pots is distance is 1 meter. And the distance between first flower pots and second flower pots, the distance is 1 meter. And the distance between second flower pots and third flower pots is also 1 meter. And so on up to 100 flower pots. The total distance will be along AD 100 meter. 100 meter. The concept is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD as shown in figure. Niharika runs 1/4 distance AD. निहारिका ने AD के along 1/4 distance, 1/4 of 100, 1/4 of 100 means 25 meter. Along AD, Niharika runs along AD. It means Niharika runs at 25 meter distance. 25 meter distance in which line? In second line. You are observing that Niharika in the figure you are observing that Niharika runs along AD in second line and post a green flag at 25 meter. In second line at 25 meter Niharika post a green flag. Similarly, Preet runs 1/5 of the distance along AD on 8th line. You are observing that in 8th line Preet runs along AD and cover the distance of 1/5 of AD. 1/5 into 100, 20 meter. In 8th row 20 meter distance, Preet will post a red flag. What is the distance between both the flag? पहले इतना आप करते हैं फिर सेकंड पार्ट करेंगे. ठीक है? देखिए.
So we know the coordinates and we can find the distance now.
Yeah, distance problem. Yes. Position of green flag posted by Niharika. Question number 3.
25.
Position of green flag posted by Niharika. Niharika in the second line. X axis, first we will take the x coordinate. That is 2 and 1/4 of AD. 1/4 distance of AD. 1/4 of 100. 4 1 जा 4, 425. Niharika. That is your
Sir, I have a doubt. Why we have multiplied with 100
Yes. Now, next is Preet. Preet runs 1/5 distance along AD on the 8th line and posts a red flag. Position of red flag. Position of red flag.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Posted by. Yeah. Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you take the white stars 1/4 into 100 means in the white?
Yeah, total. He is saying in question discuss that Niharika post a green flag 1/4 of AD. 1/4 of the distance of AD. AD distance is 100 and 1/4 of 100 is 25.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Now position of red flag posted by Preet. Posted by Preet. In 8th line, 1/5 distance. In 1/5 of 100.
1/5 into 100 which will be 20.
20. Yes. And Preet 8 law in 20. Any doubt? Any problems?
No, I don't think so.
Any doubt? Any problems? Abhishek Kumar Patel. Any doubt? Shreyas Singh.
No, sir.
Srini. Ansika Bhatt.
No, sir.
Any doubt? Arpit Mishra. Abhigyan. Swasti. Pragati. Shubham Jadhav.
No, sir.
Priya Tiwari. Any doubt? Any problems? And many more students behind the screen. जो कैमरे के पीछे हैं, जो मैं क्या है यहाँ पे जिनकी पिक्स मेरे को ऑब्जर्व हो रही है उनको मैं क्या है पूछ रहा हूँ, लेकिन क्या है I want to tell you that please switch on your camera. At this time only 33 students attend the class. Please join the class regularly. Green flag and red flag. We have to find out the distance. Yes, Niharika. That is the position of Niharika. In second line, 25 meter distance. Preet. In 8th line, 20 meter distance. Distance and P. Distance and P. Yes. Distance and P. x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 whole square. x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Distance and P. x2 and 8 minus 2
8 minus
2 plus 20 minus 25
20 minus 5.
6 square plus minus 5 square and P. That is 36 plus 25. Root 61. Root 61. Root 61 meter. Root 61 meter. The distance between red, the distance between green flag and red flag. the distance between green flag and red flag is red flag, that is NP root 61 meter. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No problems? Yes.
No, sir.
If Rasmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining two flags. If Rasmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flags. अब यहाँ पे हमारे पास दो फ्लैग ऑलरेडी लग चुके हैं. That is your green flag and red flag. ग्रीन फ्लैग जो है वो किसने पोस्ट किया है? निहारिका ने. रेड फ्लैग किसने पोस्ट किया है? प्रीत ने. अब यहाँ पे रश्मि हैज टू पोस्ट ए ब्लू फ्लैग exactly halfway between the line segment joining the two flag. Where should she post her flag? Have you done up to here? Up to here have you completed? Okay. May I erase it? May I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now and P. That is your end. In second line 25 meter. And your P in 8th row 20 meter distance. Rasmi has to post a blue flag. That is your blue flag. Rasmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway. Exactly half means 1:1. Rina, the point. Any doubt, any problems? ये ratio जो मैंने I have taken ratio 1:1. Why?
Because it's half.
Only one midpoint.
Midpoint. Rasmi has to post a blue flag exactly in halfway. The point RXY divides. Yes, sir. Divides a line segment and P internally in the ratio of 1:1. Now we have to find out the coordinate of position of blue flag posted by Rasmi. Position of blue flag posted by Rasmi. Now we apply the midpoint formula. RXY, that is your x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Yes, x1 is 2 and 8. 2 plus 8 divided by 2 and 25 plus 20. 25 plus 20 divided by 2. Yes.
मैनेज, ठीक है, आप अपने
That is 10 divided by
स्कूल में क्या कर सकते हैं, स्कूल का
and 45 divided by 2.
अच्छा सा वीडियो कॉल कीजिए,
2 5s are 10
ठीक है,
and in fifth row 22.5 meter distance. 22.5 distance.
So
हाउस कैफे और हाउस के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं,
So Rasmi will. So Rasmi will.
हाउस के लिए
So, रश्मि
क्या करेंगे, अलग होगी ना, स्कूल के
will
लिए क्या कर सकते हो,
Cost
स्कूल के betterment के लिए क्या कर सकते हो,
will cost a
ये बोलोगे,
blue flag. Blue flag.
coordinate 5,22.
Blue flag. Blue flag in fifth line. In fifth line at 22.5 meter distance. Yes. Any doubt, any problems?
No sir. No sir. So please go.
Okay. In question number 1, 2 and 3 and question number 9 as well, ratios are given. We have to find out the coordinate of the point which divide the line segment. But in next question, coordinate of points are given which are dividing the line segment, but ratio is not given. Now we have to find out the ratio, that is converse. क्या ये converse है? Okay, that is the converse.
Okay.
Please switch on your camera. Switch on your camera. Switch on your camera. Now question number 4. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining point -3, 10 and 6, -8 is divided by point this. That is your line segment. That is your A. Coordinates are given. That is your -3 and 10. Your next point is B, 6, -8. And your point is your P. Coordinates are given. Coordinates are given.
-1 and 6.
-1 and 6. -1 and 6. Now we have to consider the ratio which divide by. So point P, -1 and 6 divide the line segment AB in the ratio of K/1. You can take the ratio M1/M2 as well as K/1. आप यहाँ पे M1/M2 भी ले सकते हैं, आपका आंसर ठीक आएगा, आपका K/1 भी ले सकते हैं. That is unknown. But to find the value of ratio, we have to find out the value of M as well as M2. हमें M1 की वैल्यू भी फाइंड आउट करनी पड़ेगी, M2 की वैल्यू भी फाइंड आउट करनी पड़ेगी. लेकिन if we will take the ratio K/1, we have to find out the value of only K. हमें क्या करना है, K की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी पड़ेगी. तो हमारे पास क्या रेशियो आ जाएगा. तो प्लीज टेल मी व्हाट डू यू वांट टू टेक द रेशियो, M1/M2 या K/1.
So K/1.
Okay.
K/1.
Yes. K/1, we will take the ratio K/1 here. Okay. And we will find out the value of K. We will find out the value of K. The ratio will be find out.
Okay.
And as you know that 1:1 will take if P is the midpoint. P is the midpoint. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Yes. Now that is K/1. Point P minus 1 and 6 divides the line segment AB internally in the ratio of K/1. Now we will multiply K to this side and 1 to this side. This is your point minus 1 and 6 and this is your point P. Now M1 into X1. M1 is K and M2 is 1. Okay. This is your X1. This is your X2. This is your M1. This is your M2. This is your X2 and this is your Y. Any doubt, any problems? Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
M1 X2 plus M2 X1 divided by M1 plus M2. Now M1 Y2 plus M2 Y1 divided by M1 plus M. Okay. Now P minus 1 and 6. What is the value of M1? K into X2. X2 is 6.
6.
Plus 1 into X1 is
Minus 3.
minus 3.
5.
Minus
3, sir.
minus 3. That is K plus 1. M1 is K. Y2 is
Minus 8.
minus 8.
Minus 8.
M2 is 1. Y1 is
10.
10. That is K plus 1. Okay. P minus 1 6. P that is 6K minus 3 K plus 1 minus 8K plus 10 divided by K plus 1. Yes. Now the coordinate of X. X coordinate is minus 1, X coordinate is 6K minus 3 divided by K plus 1. Can we equalize it?
Yes, sir.
6K minus 3 K plus 1. And the coordinate Y coordinate is 6 and Y coordinate is minus K minus 8K plus 10 divided by K plus 1. Any doubt? Comparing the corresponding elements. X coordinate as well as Y coordinate. Any doubt? Any problem up to here?
No, sir.
Okay. Yes.
No, sir.
Now it becomes minus K minus 1 6K minus 3. Now it becomes minus K minus 6K minus 3 plus 1. That is your minus 7k. Minus 7k divided by minus 2. K is equal to 2 by 7. 2 by 7. Similarly, we will solve this part. That is your 6k cross multiplied. Cross multiplied with 6k plus 6 minus 8k plus 10.
Equal.
It becomes 6k plus minus 8k plus 8k. 10 minus 6. It becomes 14k is equal to 4. K is equal to 4 by 14. That is 2 by 7. Same. The value of k same in both case. K is equal to 2 by 7. Therefore, the required ratio is.
Sir, अगर value different आएगी तो
Different आ नहीं सकती. The required ratio.
yes sir.
Same question में different कैसे आ सकती है?
कि हमें ratio one
The required ratio will be
2:7.
k ratio 1, k ratio 1, and the value of k is
2:7.
and the value of k is 2 by 7. Multiply करेंगे 7 में जाएगा यहाँ पे 2 ratio 7. If you will take the ratio m1 ratio m2, the value of m1 will be 2 and the value of m2 will be 7. So m1 ratio m2 will be 2 ratio 7. अगर वहाँ पे अगर आप m1 ratio m2 लेते तो m1 की वैल्यू 2 आती और क्या है m2 की वैल्यू वहाँ पे क्या है 7 आती. तो m1 ratio m2 वहाँ पे 2 ratio 7 आता. वो वैसे सोल्व होता वहाँ पे. Any doubt, any problems? कोई डाउट इस केस में?
No sir.
Concept is clear or not?
Yes sir. Clear.
Question number 5. Question number 5. Find the ratio in which the line segment ratio. We have to find out also in the question ratio. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining A 1 comma minus 5 and B minus 4 and 5 is divided by the x-axis. X-axis means x coordinate is given, y coordinate is 0. Am I right or wrong? Yes.
Yes sir.
Also find the coordinate of point of division. Point of division. That is your line segment. That is your A. That is your B. Now coordinate of point A. Coordinate of point A is 1 comma minus 5.
1
And the coordinate of point B is
minus
minus 4 minus 5. Minus 4 and 5.
Yes sir.
Minus 4 and 5. 1 comma minus 5 and minus 4 comma 5. That is a point P. That is your x coordinate and y coordinate is 0. Because this point is divided by x axis. X axis means x coordinate is given, y coordinate is 0. अगर y axis की बात करते हैं तो वहाँ पे x coordinate 0 होता है, y coordinate will be given. Okay?
Okay sir.
Yes. Now we have to find out the ratio. Ratio k ratio 1. K ratio 1. The point P x0 divides a line segment AB internally in the ratio of k ratio 1. K ratio ratio 1. Now we have to find out the ratio as well as coordinate of point P. Coordinate of point P we have to also find out. This side and this side. Now P, coordinate of point P, x comma 0, that is your P.
ये निकाल दिया
K into minus 4, K into minus 4. Any doubt, any problems? K into minus 4 and 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1. K plus 1. Next is your K into 4, 1 into minus 5. 1 into minus 5 divided by K plus 1. Px0. Yes, minus 4K.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, I have a doubt.
yes, without.
Sir, in the before question, there was P bracket minus 1 comma 6. But here it is x comma 0. So sir, we would be finding the value of x, or we would be just calculating the ratio.
To find the ratio, we have to find out the value of K.
So then we will get equal and find the value of x.
After that, we will put the value of K in x coordinate. Yes, after that, we will put the value of K in x coordinate, and we can find out the x coordinate also. Up to here, any doubt, any problems?
Okay, sir. No, sir.
No problems. I am applying the section formula. K into minus 4, K into minus 4 and 1 into 1. That is K plus 1, K into 5 plus 1 into minus 5 divided by K plus 1. K plus 1. It becomes minus 4K plus 1 divided by K plus 1. It becomes 5K minus 5 divided by K plus 1. Now it is your x coordinate, it is your y coordinate, that is your y coordinate. Now x is equal to, on comparing, minus 4K plus 1 divided by K plus 1, and next is 0 divided by 5K minus 5 divided by K plus 1.
Upon
Cross multiply it. Cross multiply it. Any doubt, any problems?
no, sir.
Now it becomes 0 into K plus 1.
0.
5K minus 5. It becomes 5 divided by, that is 5K. Now 5 divided by 5.
Equal to 1.
That is your K is equal to 1. Required ratio is 1:1. Please check the answer.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So it is correct.
The required ratio. The required ratio. K ratio 1 and the value of K is 1:1. 1:1. One ratio 1. The coordinate of point of division are as. The coordinates of point of division. Point of division RH, and the coordinate of point of division Px0. The value of x is minus 4k plus 1 minus 4k plus 1 divided by k plus 1, and the y coordinate is 0. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Now replace the k with 1. We have already found out the value of k. Now replace k with minus 1. Now k with 1 plus 1. That is 1 plus 1. That is y coordinate is 0. That is also given in the question. It becomes minus 4 plus 1. Minus 4 plus 1 divided by 2, and it becomes 0. So coordinate of point P, that is minus 3 by 2 and 0. Minus 3 by 2 and 0. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
No problems.